Alright, it's wintertime in Virginia, so we thought we'd do a real quick video of how we're heating the camper. We only spent one night in the camper, but it does work. What we have here is a cheap $30 ceramic heater. The challenge that we had was, you can see our bed platform. The entire truck bed is our bed platform. So we couldn't put the ceramic heater on this because, of course, it's a fire hazard. So we had to come up with some kind of solution, something to hold the heater. So what Steph and I built the other night was a holder. So if you zoom in on the holder there, and then watch this. The holder slides, so we can actually put it wherever we want. And it actually slides up and down as well. So give me a second here. So it slides up and down as well. So then we can set this wherever we need it for the heater. Now I put these two on so that it can so it doesn't tip over as easy. But I can slide this up so this presses up against this bar here, makes it nice and tight. So that's really it. We just had to get the heater up off the bed. We didn't feel comfortable putting the heater under the bed because we couldn't see it. As most people know, these get pretty hot. The filament in here gets pretty hot. Works quite well. When we close the top, we got it to about 65 degrees in here, which was pretty toasty. So, and I think it was about 30 degrees outside. So someday I might do a better test. We're not winter campers, but we do need something to take the chill off when it gets temperatures drop at night. So anyway, real quick, we used some extra 80/20 that we had in the basement to make the contraption. Thanks for watching. Till next time.